Hello everyone, welcome to CAD Nest. In this video, we'll see about how to create one chair using 2D elements. So first of all, I have to take one line element, that is just I'll go to shapes. Here you'll get the line option, select this. Here it is very important that in which view what are the things you draw. Okay, so first I'll start with left view. In left view you can see the side view of the chair easily, so that I am taking the left view. Once check in the other views also, and then I need the cross leg also because we need the support for the chair. So see, this is now how created. So this is one part of the leg and back support. We need both sides. Okay, this is one side. Another side you can copy in the top or front view. So how much space you want in between you can place. I use here instance copy because we need editings at the similar for the both side. Then now we have to connect this portion using arc. Select arc in the front view. To connect it easily, on the snap option, and for modifying snap, right click on that, of the vertex, just on the vertex, endpoints, midpoints. So here grid point should be off because it will take the grid points on the screen. Then close this, just connect by arcs. Now so after use of the snap, see, this is vertical and our back support is in slope direction. That's why select the arc portion, give light rotation equal to the support. Now here I am getting the gap. To fill this gap, again on the snap, select this, just connect this like this. Now support seating portion. For seating, again select the circle in the top view, create the circle equal to these two legs element. Now it is created at the bottom side. Use move option. Place it as required. Now this complete thing is in the line element. We need solid form for these lines. So select the line. In modify you will get one option, that is rendering. In that activate enable input, enable in rendering. Okay, then you can give the thickness for this radius. See, you are getting this thickness for the line, but it is not in the particular thickness. We can increase this thickness. I'll give as some 3 inches. It is now 1 inches. I'll give as 3 inches. Maintain the same thickness for all lines, so it will look nice. So I am giving thickness for all the walls, all the lines. Now what we need is support, seating support and back support. For that use sphere option in the top view. Equal to this circle, create the sphere. Place it exactly center of the circle. From all the views you need to get it exactly center. Now use scale, decrease the scale. So it will look like this. Now we need the back support. For this again use the same circle option. In the front view you should draw in the front view. In front view you can draw one circle by connecting 2 vertical elements. And then now check it, it is came outside. Just move it to the support portion and it is exactly straight. We need somewhat slope. Again use the rotate option. We can rotate it. Now to make it solid, use here it is not necessary to use the spear because we don't need much thickness for the back support. For sitting we need some thickness and smoothness. That's why we are using the spear with scale. Here directly we can give extrude with some thickness. You can fix it exactly. Now you can manage these gaps. So it should looks like neatness. Like this you can manage the scale. Now we can change it color of this chair as required. So I'll give all like same color, that is black. Then this one also black. Then for seating we'll provide some different color. In this way we can create the chair. So in further videos we'll see still variety of chairs. Keep watching this channel and subscribe our channel. Thank you.